Okay, now I want to go back to this business case and show something that I've been using actually quite frequently the last couple of days. And use ChatGPT as kind of a first review of business cases or proposals that come my way. So let's say, tell me everything that could go wrong or is unsustainable in this proposal. And here's where I think that ChatGPT is just head and shoulders above Bard, even though I do like the export function, and I think that has a lot of value there, or even some of the mapping functions they're bringing to Bard. But this is where I think ChatGPT stands out above the rest and other AI tools that's out there, right? Because it's not just about productivity. I think we focus too much on we want to be more productive, but if you're productive doing the wrong things, that's not a good thing, right? And so AI is kind of like an accelerator. If you're going the right direction, an accelerator is good, right? Gets you to the destination faster. But if you're going the wrong way, an accelerator is very, very dangerous. And so this is again why I like ChatGPT a lot better, as I'll show you in a second here, to be able to have an ongoing conversation with it about a specific topic. You can really drill down on something. So it's giving you all the different reasons here why it thinks that this thing might be hard, right? So what we can do here is, let's look at these different things here. We'll go back and look at it. All right. Privacy concerns, data storage and management, cost and budget constraints, technology obsolescence, officer resistance, adoption to changes or adoption challenges, policy and legal challenges. So let's do two things right here. First, we're going to say, I don't agree with the ROI calculations. 40, if I could spell again, it'd be really helpful. 40% seems rather high, especially when considering that we already pay for liability insurance. Okay, here now more 20%. Okay, I like 20% a lot more than 40. That's really helpful. So again, it's going through all the calculations. There we go. Again, I think it might be a little too high too. I mean, I don't know. Well, it's hard to tell too whether or not it really reduces the number of complaints or the liability of complaints, because you also have to factor in things like staff time to review the body-worn camera footage. You do your clerk office, the officers themselves, all the other different things that go along with that. But another thing I want to show you too is, let's see here. If I go back to this up here to the different reasons why they said it might not be good, right? Why this might not work, this business case. So write a sample policy establishing, or a policy. I'm just going to copy paste this right here. Sample policy. On the use, storage, and access to body-worn camera footage. Okay, even knows that it's Springfield Police Department body-worn camera, right? And it's phenomenal that it even does it right there. So this is something that I like a lot. You can do this and you can drill down on it. and kind of put the whole thing back in together, which is phenomenal that you can have that all right here in one app or one application here. So maybe the issue with the business case was a lack of a policy, and so when you see that, it's really easy to just go in there and update the policy and create a new policy if you needed to and have it reviewed, and you can kind of continue that cycle of accuracy and drilling down each step to make sure you're accurate and make sure that it's relevant to what you're trying to do in your city or your community. It's also that it's you can put different numbers in there too. If you didn't like that 20% reduction in liability claims, maybe your liability claims are a little different. Maybe it's not $500,000 per liability. So there's different ways you can do that, and we could have entered other information in there as well. Say like our liability insurance premium, right? Could put that in there, or the maximum amount that we're covered by. So we could put all that in there and have that calculate an ROI. Or you could look at it too of, okay, maybe this isn't an ROI thing in terms of reduction in cases, but maybe it's something else, right? Maybe we want to do it to increase accountability for police officers themselves. There's other ways of doing that, right?